Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam. I actually have another haul for you right away. The reason I'm doing this is because this is still on sale at Macy's right now. It's an unboxing, true unboxing. As you can see, I'm cutting the bag.
No, that's a knife.
I have a new photographer. He's a lot of fun. I'm actually unboxing this with the knife. And so from Macy's, this was on sale. I love the colors. I'm hoping I liked it. I hope, yeah. Words are hard. I'm hoping I like it as much as I thought. I'm in my pajamas. I just wanted to show you though, because it's still on sale. And if you like it, I want you to be able to grab it too. And it is from Coach. There's no hurrah to this. It is just, okay, and it's below the paper here, so, but I am very happy with the color. Okay, good. I got this, the Mini Studio Baguette. It's not a bag, it's a baguette. This is from Coach. These are, like I said, they're on sale right now. Oh, this is awesome. Let's see if they have a price tag on here. No. Studio Baguette. I know they were on sale for $210. I think they're normally $395. And so it's got the gold hardware. And I'd say that's pretty much gold. I thought maybe it was antique-y, but it's just gold. The bag I know is just over 7 inches this way. And then I think it's... looks like about 2 inches on the side and probably about 4 inches, 3 inches high. So the bag is all glove tan leather. It's got a slip pocket in the back here. Then it's got the, opening here that is, I don't apparently know how to open.
Is that childproof?
Clearly, yes. There we go. Just push on it. A little harder than I was. You have the adjustable leather strap. So that's here tangled in the bag. So it's like this, but it also has a shoulder strap as well. So there are 2 straps. The only one that's adjustable though is the longer strap. You open it up here. And then it's got, I would say that this is kind of like a microfiber lining in it. It's stuffed really well. All right, there we go. Okay, there's still stuffing in here. But there is a pocket right up here in front. Then there is an inside pocket here. The inside place. There is an inside slip pocket here. And then there's actually spots for 6 credit cards right up in here. So, just really nice. So I would say that this is more like Coach's version of a wallet on chain, only probably a little bit bigger than this. This is certainly a lot bigger than like the Chanel wallet on chain, because you could easily fit your phone in here and any other real little necessities. But yeah, I am super, super pleased with this. This is just another quick little Coach unboxing for you. Run, don't walk to go grab this if you want to. Like I said, it's still on sale on Macy's website. And yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know. Please leave a comment in the comments down below. I love interacting with everybody down there. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and do so. Just go down, tippity tap the little bell icon, and you'll be notified every time I put out videos. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. Please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Till next time, bye.